two numbers at the numerator and one number at the denominator. So to use logarithm tables for this, what we need to do is to rule out our number line as usual. So we'll put the number on one side and put the logarithm at the other side. Give me a few seconds, hold on. So um, yeah, the first number there is 76.12, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here the number goes under here 76.12. Can you tell me what the character here should be? The integer. The integer that should be first number here.
One.
1. Very good. That's because there are two digits on the left and you move your decimal point to the left once to make the first number there. So that is 1.
Okay.
Then we'll check the logarithm of 76 under 1, difference 2. So logarithms 76 under 1, difference 2. This is 76 here. Under 1 is 8814. Difference 2 is 1. That's 8815. So 8815. And there's a number beside it which is 4087, but that has no decimal. 4087. So that means the decimal is at the back. And to transport the decimal to the front, that's 3 steps. So this is going to be bad. I mean, this is 3, positive 3, not bad, because it's to the left. So we check logarithm 40 under 8 difference 7. 40 under 8 difference 7. 40 under 8 is 6107. So difference 7 is 8. Now, yeah, difference 7 is 8. So 8 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 7 is 15, right?
Yes, sir.
So instead of 6107, we write 6115. 6115. But because there's multiplication between the two numbers at the top, then we have to add the logarithms together. So we
Okay, sir.
have here, so we have the addition of this, which is 5 plus 5, 10. That's 0, keep 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1, that's 3. Then 8 plus 1, 9, and 8 plus 6 is 14. I keep 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we have 5.4930. Okay. Now we want to divide by the number at the bottom. The number at the bottom has a square root. So that is the only one we're going to divide, because when you have a square root, you divide by 2. When you have a cube root, you divide by 3 in logarithm, and so on. So 841.9 square root. Before we can do the square root, first we need the integers 1, 2, that is 2 to the left. Then 84 under 1 difference 9. So logarithm 84 under 1. 84 under 1 is 9248. Difference 1, difference 9 is 5. So 48 plus 5 is 53. So 92, 53. 9253. Okay. Now we want to divide by 2 because of the square root. So 2 divided by 2 at the front gives me 1. So to find that square root at the back, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 9, 2 in 9, that is 4. Remainder 1, 2 in 12, that is 6. 2 in 5, that's 2. Remainder 1, 2 in 13, that's 6. In 10, That's 5. So we can round this one up to 7. Then we have 1.4627. 1.4627 because of the rounding up. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, the next thing to do, because we want to divide, is to subtract. I'm going to subtract the numerator, which is this is a numerator, 5.4930 minus the denominator, which is 1.4627. So when we subtract 0 minus 7 is not possible. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 2 gives me 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 4 is 0 then. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then I have 1. So taking this out of logarithm by checking anti-log, we're going to have an answer that is like 0 point something. So let's say 0 point whatever we're bringing. So anti-log 0, 3 under 0 difference 3. Anti-log 0, 3 under 0 difference 3. So 0, 3 under 0 is 1072. Difference 3 is 1. That is 1073. So this is 0.1073. And this number here is 4. When you add 1 to it, it becomes 5. To know where the decimal point is going to be, okay? So that is 5 steps to the right. Can you hear me? One, two.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that would be 5 steps to the right. One, two, three, four, 5. Now, 5 to the right means I'm adding a 0 here. So my answer will be 10730. But it says to 3 significant figures. So if it's going to be to 3 significant figures, I would say the final answer means I should stop on the 3 digits here. That would be 10700 because the 3 is not up to 5, otherwise the 7 would have been 8. So that is 10,700 to the nearest 100. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Um, Let us check it in the calculator and see whether it's going to give us something close to that value. What we have at the bottom is the square root of this number 841.9. So the square root is 29.0155. Now let us do the one at the top. Bearing in mind that we said we have 29.0155. So the number at the top is 76 plus, times, hold on, cancel this. So 76.12 times 4087. Then we want to divide the result. So divide the result by 29 point, hold on, I think I should first to get that result out. So 76.12 times 4087 gives me this. Okay, then I'm going to divide this by 29.0155. So that is 10721. But we got 10730, right? Can you hear me? Okay. So 10730.
Did
But the
you say
cap.
something?
Yes, I said, can you hear me?
Yes.
So the calculator value is 10721.9, but our logarithm value is 10730. And so the three significant figures is 10700. So if you round up the calculator value also to three significant, that's nearest 100. So 721 is going to be 700. That's 10,700, which means it is still in line with our answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you some time to put this down. Then I will ask you to
Okay.
explain it over to me so that I can know that you understand it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.